How to log into Indigo Credit Card account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser and search for Indigo Credit Card. Now you're going to find different search results. You want to click on Indigo Platinum Mastercard option. On this web page, you have the login portal at the right hand side. First, enter your username on this box. Then enter your password. Now click on the login option to be logged into your account. If you are new to this, click on the Register Your Account option to register a new account. In case you have forgotten your username or password, click on this link. That's going to bring you to another page. Here, if you want to reset your password, start by entering your username, then enter the last 4 digits of the card. Now enter your date of birth, and then enter your social security number. Now click on the Reset Password option. You will be able to create a new password after the verification process. Now, if you have forgotten your username, you want to enter your 16-digit account number. Then enter the date of birth. Now enter the social security number and click on the Request Username option. Then you will have to follow the on-screen prompts to request for a new username. And this is how you can log into your Indigo credit card account. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.